your boy Slay back here, another freaking video, vlog type video, you know. Today I am doing a bleed on my supercharger, and I am basically showing y'all what I got done to my car, because a lot of people keep asking me. I got videos on my YouTube that's what's done to my car, but I'm just making another video on what's like detail, everything that's done to it, even like supporting mod wise also. So yeah, man, this is the car, obviously the ZL1. I think I'm gonna bring it into the shop. I'm in my homie shop right now, ft.KRAZYF. It's coming soon. But yeah, man, this is the ZL1. Obviously, it's 30 right now. It's been a snowstorm. I just started driving it, so it's 30 right now. Gotta get a wash soon. But yeah, man, my supercharger temps are high right now, so I need to bleed my supercharger and check my pumps and see if they're working correctly. And yeah, man, after that, hopefully my supercharger temp will go back to normal, because they're kind of high right now when I'm just driving ish. So I talked to my tuner. He said that's what I need to do, because I want to run E85 and stuff like that. So I'm gonna do that, then I'm gonna get that done, tell y'all details about the car, and yeah, we're gonna continue, you know what I'm saying, going on with the video. Like the personal, or
this isn't personal, this is the DIY. So this is going to be our do-it-yourself auto repair.
Okay. Yeah.
So this is what this is going to be over here. So we'll be able to rent bay space. We'll have all the tools, all the equipment you need.
Man,
Be able to change tires, balance tires, do pretty much anything you want over here.
Yeah.
For the most part.
It's cool. Yeah.
Each bay has a lift in it, and then we have a motorcycle bay here that we're going to.
Motorcycle bay. Okay.
Too.
I got two perfect people that I thought in mind already with my motorcycles.
Yeah. So we got an area for that. It's kind of a mess right now. Just kind of putting things together.
Yeah.
That's Everett, my grandson's car.
Yeah.
So, but
it's cool though.
Yeah, man.
ZL1 got the V.
Yeah.
Oh, you just put a new starter in it? Okay.
Yeah, I put a Power Master starter in it. So
okay.
It'll turn the motor better.
Oh, okay. Was the old one going out, or?
The old one was out and it was getting worn out, and I wanted to put something in it that's better.
Yeah,
so
yeah.
I put the Power Master starter in it. It's got higher torque, spins the motor faster.
Okay, yeah.
Spins the engine faster, whatever. But yeah, so and do a little rewiring for that, but not a huge deal. So I had it out yesterday for a drive.
Did you?
Yeah.
Yeah, I drove mine too. I drove mine today, but I drove mine yesterday also.
And we'll walk through here. This is going to be, like I said, this is a DIY.
Yeah.
Every shop area has a big screen TV that's going to give access to like YouTube or whatever up here.
Okay.
Like we'll be able to play.
Yeah.
One up there. If you want to look up YouTube videos, like if you're working on your own stuff and you want to kind of figure out how to do certain things, you'll be able to look it up there. Also, I'll have information systems like Mitchell, repair manuals that's online and things like that will be available too. So
that's cool. Yeah. That's definitely cool.
Yeah.
Useful. That YouTube.
Oh yeah. Come on back.
Hey man, this is my homie Brian, man. He got, man, this is like goals, bro. You got so much space and cars and stuff, bro. It's crazy. ZL1, CTSV, vet, trucks, all types of stuff, bro. But yeah, this is like the, you know what I'm saying, the exclusive sneak peek, I guess, bonus of the video. So basically just give me a tour and just run down my car, and yeah, just hopefully y'all enjoy the video like this. And this is what I want to see. I've been seeing this on your story. Well, this is crazy. Dang. Yeah. Dang. The wagon. You rarely drive this, do you?
Not very often. Every once in a while, it's pretty rare, so I don't drive it that often. It's got really low miles on it.
How much miles on this one?
About 6,000.
Dang, Z28. Is it like
2014?
Yeah. How many colors like in this?
They only made 79 silver Z28s.
That's crazy.
And this year, 2014, they only made 29 silver cars.
Dang. I remember when you went to go get this.
Yeah.
Dang. Got the jet ski.
Oh, yeah.
I can't wait to the summer.
Yeah, I'm getting ready to do some work on that too. I've tuned it already.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
Dang.
I've got a plate, a new ride plate going on it.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put a new impeller in it.
Yeah.
Through the whole exhaust intake.
Yeah.
A few little odds.
Little stuff. Yeah.
Yeah.
I remember you got this too. Dang.
They're pretty quick the way they are. But
yeah.
Yeah.
So big. Love this one. 228s. Are you gonna ever put a wrap or something, or are you gonna leave it just like that?
That one's gonna stay soft.
Just rare.
The only sticker that's that's got on it's the one right there on the windshield.
Oh, that, yeah.
It's all original, so I'm not going to do anything with this car.
Yeah.
Keep it completely original. I mean, it's like basically a brand new car. So, yeah, it's
Man, that's crazy.
needs a little bit of
Just cleaning, but
yeah, but it's
dang. And what engine are these? Is it
7 liter
7
427.
Yeah.
Yep. Both of these are the same. That's a 22. It's just really the only difference color.
Color, yeah.
Outside. That's the one I bought to drive.
This one, yeah. Collector, yeah.
Yep.
Dang. I haven't saw this in so long.
Yeah, got a little work to do that this winter too. But, yeah.
You gonna get this out next summer?
That's my plan, man.
Yeah.
I've got to get a clutch in it and a few little cosmetic things where I hit a deer.
Oh, I remember you hit the deer, yeah.
Busted the front splitter and nose cone a little bit, so I got to fix that stuff. But that's the plan, anyways. Get it out this next season.
Yeah. Man. This I remember just the first one I drove in that YouTube video.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, that's nice. Alright, about to get started. I'm about to see if my pump is working. So if the pump is not working, I gotta get a new pump. But if it is working, I'm gonna have to bleed Supercharger. So we're gonna see if the pump is working. So we're about to check that right now. And then once you come back here and check it, I'll let you guys know, if it's working or not. So hopefully it is though. Hopefully it's working. So
should run, but turn the key on and don't.
All right,
there we go. Hear it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Trying to get this stuff right, man. I need this car to be right before the summer. So this stuff, he does have the DSX fuel pump I need for around 485, so I'm gonna have that too. CCSV. The pump is working. I hear it.
Alright, well, there ain't even any coolant coming out of there.
Oh.
So, it's like not even any coolant at all coming out of there. So it's probably not, it's probably the problem is this is should be pumping it from here up, runs through, comes back down here into the pump. Well, there's no coolant at all in the system. So it's probably what's going on is just don't have any coolant to pump. So, I think it's coolant in there.
So basically, I've been driving around basically with no coolant coming out to my Supercharger, and that's why my Supercharger been running so hot. What's happened? Why is that? Maybe we forgot to put coolant in it, but at least the car didn't blow up, and I'm fixing the problem. So basically, more of the story, coolant supposed to be running up into the Supercharger, into this part, and it wasn't. When he just took that off and we just tested the pump, there was no coolant going into there, so therefore he says there's no coolant in here. And I thought that was the coolant this whole time. I'm still new to this car stuff, so I thought that was coolant, but it is coolant, but it's a different type of coolant, I guess, for somewhere else. He's about to go get some coolant for me, about to get the cap thingy, and we're about to put some coolant in it, and hopefully it runs, something better. And I'm gonna check the temps on HP tuners and see if how it's running. So, are you pushing that little thing?
Yeah, and then I'm gonna turn the pump on.
Right here now.
Should be sucking that out of there. There we go, some air out of it. One air coming out. Come on.
That's the air coming out of it?
Yeah. But it's got to have enough coolant in it to pump.
So how can you even tell if it's full? Like,
it stopped getting air out of it.
Oh.
Can you hear if that pump's still running?
It's not going right now.
a little more fluid and it'll give it a little more gravity.
Yeah.
All right, here we go.
I did the coolant. Probably gonna bleed it again when I get to the other shop, but I'm about to take it. I'm about to take it on some test runs and see if the temps went down. And I'm gonna catch y'all in a second. I'm gonna check all this stuff and I'm gonna show y'all what's done to my car and stuff like that. So y'all stay tuned to the video, enjoy the video, and yeah, man, see y'all soon. My boy back. Oh, you glad, little dude? Nah, I'm playing.
You're not talking.
Well, man, I just got to the shop. Bleed the supercharger. This other couple things. The temps are back to normal basically. So, damn, I can actually put my hand on here and not fucking burn my hand. That's crazy. I used to fucking I couldn't put my hand on here because it was so goddamn hot. But hey, man, we fixed that. Shout out to my boy Brian, KRAZYF, you know. Back in shop, I'm getting a car lifted up right now. About to take the oil out this car. And yeah, man, because this keeps saying I got low oil. I really don't got low oil, so I'm gonna just change it all together. And yeah, man, we're gonna see how much oil I got in this car for real. So y'all stay tuned. Hopefully this the right one.
Huh?
Good news, got the supercharger temps down to back to the normal temps. You know what I'm saying? I'm happy about that. But now the part that y'all been waiting for, this part. So obviously I got a 2018 Camaro ZL1. Was stock when I first got it, but now obviously it's not stock. So I'm gonna just list all the mods that I have for this car right now. Hopefully the wind volume is not messing up with this car or with the camera, but I'm gonna try to give y'all the best quality. Okay. But yeah, so basically I got headers. I got 2-inch headers, intake like KN intake, carbon fiber KN intake. I got a 2.3 grip tap upper pulley. Obviously I got like MSD spark plug or NGK spark plugs, MSD fucking spark plug wires. What else? Obviously I got the cam. I got a clutch. I don't know what stage it is, but it holds 1200 horsepower. The clutch I have. It's not in the car yet, but I got it. I already have the clutch. But what else? I got LS7 lifters, I think. Obviously the cam kit come with the valve springs, all that other good stuff right there. And that's really all I got done to it. I'm about to get I think it's the 103 throttle body or something like that. And I'm about to get a bigger intake, the rotofab intake, and that's really about it. Also, I'm doing E85 too. I forgot that. I have the flex fuel sensor, and I got the I'm getting a pump soon. So I'm really a full bolt-on car right now. Well, not right now. Technically I am. Technically I'm not. Ish, I guess. But basically, I'm basically a full bolt-on. About to be straight E85 car. So yeah, man, it's freaking fun. It's freaking fun. I can't wait to put the clutch in. My car is kind of dirty right now, but yeah, man, headers, cam, you know, upper pulley. I'm going E85, full E85. I'm gonna go like flex really, because I'll be traveling a lot with this car, so I'm gonna do 93 in E85. But when I'm racing, you know, straight E85. But yeah, man, that's basically what I have done to this car right now, and that's really, I'm not going I don't need no more power after that, for real. Not as of right now, I don't. You know what I'm saying? So I just want to have a reliable car, a fast car, faster car than what it was, and that's really about it, you know? Because, I mean, I do want to push 1,000 one day, you know what I'm saying? But, you know what I'm saying? I'm just going to chill with the horsepower, where it's at, and yeah, man, it still beat most cars on the street, you know what I'm saying? If I come across like a built car, then obviously I'm losing, but you know what I'm saying? It's fast for what it is. Trying to just give y'all content, and yeah, that's basically, you know what I'm saying? Basically what I got right now. So, and definitely when like I put my E85 on and stuff like that, I'm gonna tell you how much I add, horsepower I add and stuff like that. I mean, it's dirty as heck right now. So yeah, that's about it. Hopefully I enjoyed this video. It's like a little maintenance video, tell y'all what I have in my car video, and yeah, man, hopefully y'all like these type of videos, the vlogging videos. I got a lot of videos coming soon, a lot of content this year coming soon, and the summer gonna get crazy. So y'all stay tuned for the videos, like the video, subscribe to your boy, and yeah, man.